What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to the first episode of this new series I'm doing. I have not been conclusive yet about the actual name of the series. It might be something like at 2,500 euros to 10,000 euros, but I'm not quite sure. So if you have some great names, comment them down below, and maybe yours will be the name for the series. But basically what it will be is a series in which for 1 year I will invest 2,500 euros or 2,836 US dollars into the crypto market, different cryptos. That will be the main subject of this video, explaining all of the cryptos I bought, how much capital I allocated to all of the cryptos, and why. Short explanation. So yeah, that's basically going to be it in this video. And the main thing about the series is that every week in the weekend, I think every Sunday would be my most convenient. Every week I update it, how well it's going, if any things have changed. Maybe if the market becomes bullish again, I might do some transactions. And I'll keep you up to date with that as well. Maybe I'll buy some new cryptos if some of my first picks do well, like take some partial profits and put it in other cryptos. All in all, I think that could be quite entertaining and valuable. Just staying updated with cryptos with me, doing some transactions. You also get to see a little bit of my thinking behind taking partial profits, and a little bit of trading, but it's really minimal. So yeah, let's get right into the first episode. As I said, in this video I will explain all the picks and a little bit of the strategy. So here you can see it's for 1 year. I estimated it at a medium risk profile, and to be honest, this is more like a low risk profile if you take away the crypto from it. But I made it medium risk because I still think that the crypto market is highly volatile. Next year we could have a bear market, who knows really. So that's why I deemed it medium risk. But to be honest, if you're looking at this, it's more low risk. So there's a low risk, and I mean that also goes paired with a lower potential reward, obviously. I mean, cryptos that are already above 1 billion market cap just cannot rise as much as cryptos with a 100 million market cap. But yeah, let's get right into it. So the picks I did, my initial picks were Ethereum, Polygon or Matic, Engine Coin, Veracity, Reef, and Hedera Hashgraph. Also with some risks, I deem Ethereum and Polygon to be low risk. Hedera also because it's smaller, but it's still it has a great community. It's very fast, secure. So yeah, Veracity and Reef as high just because of the low market cap, and they still have some things to prove, in my opinion. And Engine at medium. Maybe Hedera should be medium as well, but I put Engine at medium just because the market cap is high, but still not as high as Polygon or Ethereum. And to be honest, that's the main reasoning. So the picks. First pick is Ethereum. I think I don't have to explain that a lot. You can read this if you want. I really do believe in Ethereum, with Ethereum 2.0 coming up, sharding. A lot of layer 2 solutions. I just think that the transaction speed, which is native to the Ethereum blockchain right now, that won't stick around. It will become faster with time, and I really believe in the team behind it. So Ethereum for me was a no-brainer. I put 40% of the portfolio into Ethereum or Ether. Polygon is a personal favorite. I think that's one of the best layer 2 projects right now, layer 2 blockchain actually. So let's just call it a blockchain. I think it's one of the best blockchains. I believe it is the best functioning layer 2 solution, which is great. Yeah, as I said here, I do think that they are a little bit more centralized than something such as Bitcoin or Monero or something. So that is true, but still, that didn't keep me away from that didn't keep me from investing in it. I think it's great, and some centralization, I can forget that, you know. So yeah, Engine Coin. I invested quite a lot in Engine Coin because it is a crypto used in. So yeah, I translated this. It was first in Dutch. I translated it. It's not that well translated. So Engine Coin is used for a lot of crypto games. I saw quite a lot of games that were built on their coin and or blockchain. So I think that's great. I think the crypto gaming industry, sub-industry, is still very young. I still think a lot of great games can come out, and Engine Coin might definitely rise in value if that happens. It's used more. It's yeah. Also put in the small description that they often tell you that you should invest in, like, let's say with chips right now. As you all know, the prices have skyrocketed, that it's better to invest in the machines making chips than in chips themselves. And I believe Engine Coin is something like that. So you don't invest in the crypto gaming coins or tokens, you invest on or in the token used in a blockchain that facilitates the growing and the creating of crypto games. Yeah, then I have Hedera Hashgraph and Reef. I know they're both layer 1 blockchains. I think Hedera has an interesting project. It's very fast, it's secure. Yeah, and I think their DAG, I think it's called, I forgot what the full name was. I think it has some potential, you know. So excuse me, it's still very unclear, to me at least, in the future what crypto will look like. So if you have multiple blockchains all working together, if you only have 10 blockchains or something. So that's, I mean, if you assume that we'll have one big blockchain and one blockchain is going to win, then these investments might look stupid. But I don't think that will happen. I think it's more likely that we will see multiple blockchains working together. That's why I have Reef and Hedera in there. I think Hedera just also it's very interesting to new crypto investors because it's different, great community, great developers behind the project. So there's that. Reef I think is interesting as well. It's fast, proof of stake both as well. I think that is definitely needed for the future for cryptos, except for Bitcoin. And it's a little bit more focused on NFTs, DeFi, or mostly NFTs and gaming. So again, potentially very good sub industries to have some money allocated to. And Veracity is the last one. Let's check the percentages. So yeah, all of the other 4 cryptos, 10%. Veracity, I've been following Veracity for quite a while. Always thought it was interesting. And when I invest in this, I just felt like I had to invest a little bit in it. Has a low market cap. Still, I believe it's a little bit inflationary, but it also has a max supply, so that's great. Yeah. So the explanation behind it is that it tries to make streaming and creating videos more decentralized, and they have developed a unique technology, which, as you might know, is the first, or they claim it is the first patented blockchain technology. So that's great. It's also great for me, of course, with creating videos more decentralized. That means there will be more power to the supplier, and I think long term that's just a great thing to strive for. I think that also improves the quality for both the creator and the watcher or the consumer. So yeah, that's basically my my allocation of the money, with some reasoning behind it, percentages, and the risk profile. So if you have any questions about the whole series, why I invested in these cryptos, or anything in between, please let me know down in the comments. I'm always happy to Always happy to answer those questions. And also, as I said, if you can think of a great name for this series, please let me know as well. Name is not conclusive yet, so give me your best names. And for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.